So income volatility, or basically simply how much money is enough money, is a question that's often sort of going on in the backtrack of your mind. So what the dwindling cash experiment is, it's a way to basically make explicit and actually test out, experiment, what it's like to live on 4 different incomes. So this is how you do it. First, look at your bank statements and figure out how much money you spend on average every month. Not how much money you make, how much money you spend. Then take it out in the bank, put it in an envelope, maybe hide under your mattress. And what you're going to do is this. Over the next 4 weeks, to live on different percentages of that money incrementally. So what does that mean? Say, for example, you spend $4,000 a month, or 4,000 euro a month. And so in the first week, you take out 40% of that, so $1,600. Identify how much money whether it's rent or lattes, everything that you spend on. For the really bold people here, move out of your apartment. Airbnb is one very easy way to sublet your apartment and actually go and see what it's like to live in hotels or in basically different levels. But otherwise, you can stay in your apartment. But basically, in 1 week, in the first week, spend $1,400. Go to restaurants, stay in hotels, give your friends presents. It may be more than that, maybe less than that. In the second week, spend 30% of that entire amount. In the third week, spend 20%. And in the last week, spend 10%. So if you spend normally $4,000 a month, in the last week you're spending $400 in that week, roughly $60 a day, including rent if you're going on the bold version. Now, why would you do this? Because actually living on different incomes, strangely enough, is usually knowledge we lack. And part of this process is to basically find out what it is that you're comfortable with and what it is that you can live on. Once you're done with this experiment, build out a financial model and decide how much you actually need to quit your life and reboot.